Eid ul Fitr is a religious festival of Muslims. It is celebrated on 1st Shawwal after the holy month of Ramzan. Eid ul Fitr is also called Sweet Eid. It's a special day to be with family and friends. Muslims celebrate Eid by offering special prayers in the morning. People mostly wears new clothes and decorate their houses with lights. Eid Mubarak, which means having a blessed Eid, is a pretty common Eid greeting. On this day, people make delicious and sweet dishes in their houses. Muslims give money to the needy during Eid. It is celebrated with great joy and happiness.